In a world overflowing with noise and distraction, it becomes essential to find clarity through the chaos. Journaling serves as a powerful tool to declutter your mind, allowing thoughts to flow from your head onto the page. The moment you begin to write, you invite tranquility into your busy life, creating a safe space for reflection and discovery. To journal effectively, create a serene atmosphere that encourages creativity and introspection. Choose a quiet place, perhaps adorned with soft lighting and comfortable seating. Equip yourself with a trusty notebook and your favorite writing instrument, for the tactile sensation of pen on paper can make the entire process more satisfying. It's not just about the words, it's about setting the mood for self-expression. Begin with a simple prompt to guide your thoughts. This could be a question about your day, a reflection on your feelings, or a goal you wish to achieve. Allow your thoughts to spill onto the pages, without judgment or restriction. This is your moment to vent. Reflect and explore without constraints. As you write, notice how the act of putting pen to paper synchronizes your mind, quieting the storm of thoughts that clamor for attention. As your journaling practice evolves, consider incorporating various techniques to deepen your experience. Experiment with stream of consciousness writing, where you set a timer and write non-stop for a few minutes. This exercise can unlock hidden thoughts and feelings, unveiling insights you might not have recognized previously. Additionally, visualize by describing a specific scene or emotion in vivid detail, using your senses to immerse yourself in the moment and strengthen your connection to your inner self. After each journaling session, take a moment to reflect on what you've written, identify recurring themes or emotions, and contemplate any action steps that emerge from your reflections. This practice transforms journaling from mere writing into a roadmap for personal growth. Each entry adds a layer of understanding to your journey. With consistent journaling, the process becomes not only a means of decluttering your mind, but also a cherished ritual. Over time, you'll observe how your thoughts evolve, allowing for a clearer perspective on your life. As your mind settles and finds clarity, journaling will emerge not just as a habit, but as a friend, one that walks alongside you as you navigate the complexities of existence. Thanks for watching video till the end, and subscribe, like, share Peak Persona YouTube channel.